How can I train employees to improve customer retention? Are you wondering how to train your employees to keep customers coming back? You are not alone. Customer retention is vital for small businesses. It costs less to keep existing customers than to find new ones. So, let's talk about some effective training methods that can help your team improve customer retention. First, start by emphasizing the importance of a positive customer experience. Employees need to understand that building trust is key. They should address customer needs quickly and create personal connections. Next, focus on the basics of customer service skills. Teach your team active listening, clear communication, empathy, and problem solving. Role-playing different scenarios can be a fun way for them to practice these skills. This helps them learn how to handle inquiries and complaints professionally. Another important aspect is customer onboarding. Train employees to guide new customers through the initial stages of using your product or service. They should provide clear instructions and helpful resources. This makes customers feel valued right from the start. Personalization is also essential. Encourage employees to use customer data, like purchase history, to tailor interactions. When customers feel recognized as individuals, they are more likely to stay loyal. Do not forget to educate your team about loyalty programs. Employees should clearly explain the benefits of these programs and encourage participation. This can help increase the lifetime value of customers. Encourage employees to actively seek feedback from customers. Train them on how to ask for feedback through surveys or conversations. This information can help improve service and address issues before customers think about leaving. Implement a system for regular follow-up communications. This could include scheduled check-ins, personalized messages on special occasions, or updates about new products. Train employees on how to manage these communications effectively to keep customers engaged. Finally, stress the importance of continuous learning. Encourage your team to stay updated on customer retention strategies and service improvements. This way, they can consistently provide relevant support. By combining foundational customer service skills with specific retention-focused practices, your employees will be better equipped to help improve customer retention in your small business.